Here it is, the old trusty 5.3 liter LM7 iron block truck motor. And special guest Roxy. Say hello. You're gonna help me today, okay? Yeah, this is gonna be the engine that's going in the S10. And today, in this video, I am going to be disassembling it. I'm going to tear it down. I'm going to pull all the pistons out so that I can assess the cylinder walls, make sure they're alright, open up the ring gaps, get this thing ready for some boost. First thing we gotta do is get rid of this intake manifold because I'm not going to be needing this.
What's the big idea?
And here pretty soon you'll find out why I don't need that intake manifold. Because I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. So stay tuned and follow along as I disassemble this engine. What the hell? How are you supposed to do this by yourself? There you go.
What we do here is go back.
So yeah, take a look at how clean. There's no sludge at all. This side I noticed got a bent valve or stuck valve. I don't know if it's just stuck from sitting or that's why this engine isn't running down the road today.
What the f was that?
Jeez. Alright, it's not too bad. A little bit of rust in this cylinder, but it'll clean off. A little bit of an edge or a ridge on top of the cylinders, but I think it's just actually carbon buildup. I don't think it's actually worn in. But yeah, seems to be so good so far. So far so good. I mean, these lifters out. See the condition of those. Those will be getting replaced because I'll be doing a different cam anyways. So, but it's always nice to kind of do a little bit of investigation when you're tearing these apart, so that you can kind of try and figure out why these engines aren't in trucks today. Because I mean, someone pulled it out for a reason, so it's probably just this bent valve causing a misfire. They pulled the engine out, so. But we'll keep tearing it down and keep investigating. What are you doing, Roxy? We taking an engine apart? Huh? Are you helping me? Yeah. You good dog. You good dude. You guys remember that stuck valve that was on this side? Well, check this out. Yeah, there's a bolt stuck in it. Now I don't know if that was from the previous owner, maybe dropped something down in it, because the intake was off this engine when I got it, and a valve could have, or a bolt could have fallen down in there while it was being stored. It doesn't look like it's been beat up or anything. It looks pretty fresh, so I bet that just fell down in there while it was being stored. So nothing major. Be able to fix that, no problem. It's getting a little hot in here. But yeah, I plan on doing a little bit of port work to the heads anyways, and getting the valve job done and all that, so that's no big deal there. But I'm just gonna keep tearing this down and see what else I can find. Ooh, yikes. I now know why this engine is no longer in a truck running. Look at that lifter. Holy shit. I have never seen one that bad. Wow, that is insane. That is crazy. God damn. Oh man, I can see that cam is foobarred. Wow. That is crazy. Now I just hope those big chunks of that lifter didn't go through everything. Hopefully the rod and main bearings look good still. Yeah, just that one show wear. All the rest of them still look good. Crazy. Whoops. Fortunately, I don't have my impact with me or my pulley puller with me to get this harmonic balancer off, so I can't get the timing cover off and the cam out and everything today anyway. So I'm just going to flip it over, get the oil pan off. I'm going to check one or two of the rod and main bearings just to see if any of that debris went through them, and cross my fingers that they're still good. something. Looks like it might be part of that lifter. I hope it's part of that lifter. So there's the cam lobe from that worn out lifter. Check it out. Alright guys, it's been a couple of days. I got the engine disassembled. Now all I've got to do is get it cleaned up. I got a bunch of parts on order. They should be here in the next day or two, so hopefully we'll get slapping this thing back together. But yeah, I got some new bearings. Brian Tooley, boost cam, connecting rod bolts, just a whole bunch of stuff coming for this thing so that I can get it back together and get going on it. In the meantime, check out my other videos so you can get caught up on the build. Hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll catch you next time.
What we do here is go back.